Good afternoon, my dear students. So, have you had your lunch? Yes. So, are you interested in studying biology? Yes. So, we are going to study about animals. Okay. So now, this is a very interesting activity for you. So, are you ready? Yes. So, here come a PowerPoint presentation, and you have to clearly watch it. Okay. Did you watch the PowerPoint presentation? Yes. So, what was the presentation all about? Yes, a man consuming food, isn't it? Yes. So, which part of the human body helps to chew or to mix the food very well? Yes, teeth, isn't it? Very good. So, teeth helps in the breaking of complex food materials into smaller materials and bits. And also, it also helps in the process of mastication. What is mastication? Chewing of food. So today we are going to study about various types of teeth. So are you ready? Yes. So we are going to study about types of teeth. Okay. So now teacher will give you an image of a kind of teeth. Okay. You have to clearly observe the image. So here comes the image. Okay, my dear students. So I think you have watched the image, isn't it? I think you got a clear idea about what we were talking about. So here is my first question. Are you ready? Yes. So which type of teeth did you find there in the presentation? Yes, it was incisor type of teeth. Very good. Okay. So here is the second question. What is the total number of incisors present in human mouth? Once again, what is the total number of incisors found in human mouth? Yes, the answer is right. 4 pairs or 8 teeth. Okay, 8 tooth. Very good. So, now we will see incisors in detail. Are you ready? Yes. So, incisors are the teeth variety that helps us to bite and cut the food. Okay. So, incisors are the front row teeth that help in the to bite and to cut the food. Okay. Then, incisors are the front teeth in the mammals. So, in human and as well as in mammals, the front tooth are the incisors. So, they are 8 in numbers, or in humans we have 4 pairs of incisors. Then 2 in each sides in top and bottom from the front. Okay, so from the front, 2 in each left, right, top and bottom. Okay, so I think you got an idea about incisors, isn't it? Yes. So once again, incisors are the teeth variety that help us to bite and cut the food. Okay. Then incisors are the front teeth in mammals. Incisors are the 8 in numbers. Okay. Then incisors are 2 in each side in top and bottom, and in front the front side. Okay. So we were discussing about incisors. Okay, so we discussed about incisor type of teeth. Okay, now we will watch a flashcard based on the canine on the second row of teeth. Are you ready? Yes. So, is it clear for you? Is it clear? Yes. So go on. Read it. Okay. Canine teeth. That is the topic. Then, what are the features of canine teeth? this pointed teeth. Okay, the first point is that these pointed teeth. Then the second point is that situated on each sides of incisors. Okay, so we discussed that incisors were the front teeth and the canines are situated on each sides of incisors. That is in the four corners of teeth. Okay, so how many numbers of teeth are there? Yes, there are four teeth of canine in the mouth. Okay, then helps to tear the food properly. Okay, once again, it helps to tear the food properly. So once again, we are going to see the canine teeth. This pointed teeth situated on each sides of incisors helps in to tear the food properly. Okay, so I think you got a clear idea, isn't it? Now, teacher will ask you some questions. Are you ready? Yes. So here is the first question. Canines are pointed to. Is the statement true or false? Yes, the statement is true. Everybody has answered. The first question is right. Then here is the second question. Canines helps to chew the food properly. Once again, canines helps us to chew the food properly. Is the statement true or false? Yes, your answer is right. The statement is false. Okay, so now we will discuss canines in detail. So, are you ready? Yes. Then, canines are slightly pointed teeth, or they are sharp teeth that is situated on each side of the incisors. Okay, then because they resemble the fangs of a dog, they are named as canines. Okay, then they acquired the name canine because they resembles the fang of a dog. Okay, then canines help us to tear the food properly. Okay, so the sharp edge helps us to tear the food properly. Once again, canines are slightly pointed teeth situated on either sides of incisors in a row. Because they resembles the fangs of a dog, they acquired the name canine. Okay, then the canines help us to tear the food properly. I think you got a clear idea about it, isn't it? Yes. So we are discussing about the second type of teeth, that is canines. Okay, so now we will watch a video based on premolars and molar type of teeth in our human mouth. Are you ready? Yes, so here comes the video.
Each type of teeth has a different purpose. Cut, tear, grind, and chew. Let us see the front four teeth in both the upper and lower jaws. They all are same in shape and have a sharp edge. They work like scissors to bite or cut food into small pieces. Hence they are called incisors. Look at the sharp pointed teeth located on both sides of incisors on each jaw. These are used to tear the food like a fork. They are called canines. They are 4 in number, 2 in each jaw. Next to each canine, there are 2 broad and flat teeth. They act as nutcracker and are used to grind and break the food into fine pieces. They are called premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. Look at the last 3 teeth on both sides of each jaw. On both sides of each jaw, the last 3 teeth are broader than the premolars. These are called molars. Their function is similar to the premolars, but they are used to grind the food further into a fine paste. We have in total 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw.
Okay, my dear students, so I think you have clearly watched the video, isn't it? Was the video interesting? Yes. So now teacher have some questions for you, just to make sure that you have watched the video carefully. Are you ready? Yes. So here's my first question. What does the function of premolar teeth? Once again, what is the function of premolar teeth? Yes, here I have answered correctly. Give me a clap. The answer is to chew the food. Okay, very good. So here's my second question. Are you ready? Yes. The number of premolar in the jaws are, once again, the number of premolar in the lower jaw are, yes, give her a clap. The answer is right, 2. Okay, there are 2 premolars in the lower jaw, and the upper jaw we have another 2. Okay, very good. So here is my third question. Are you ready? Yes. So molar teeth dash food. Once again, molar teeth dash food. Anybody? Yes. Give him a clap. His answer is right. Molar teeth grinds the food. Okay, very good. So here is the last question. The last question is, dash are largest teeth. Once again, dash are the largest teeth. Yes, most of you have answered correctly. These the molar teeth. Okay, so now we will discuss on to the details. So are you ready? Yes. Okay, my dear students. So let's discuss it in detail. So premolar teeth are the teeth that is present between canines and molars. Okay. Once again, the premolar tooth are located between the canines and the molar tooth. Okay. Then the premolars help in chewing the food. Once again, the premolar helps in chewing the food properly. Okay. So I think you got a clear idea about premolars. Now we are discussing about molar teeth. Okay. So molars are the teeth used in grinding the food. Okay. So we use the premolars to chew the food and the molars to grind the food properly. Okay. Then molars also helps in grinding the food along with the chewing from the premolars. Okay. Then we see that the molars are the largest tooth present in human beings. Okay. And in morphology we study about it in detail. Once again, we will consolidate the topic. Premolars are the tooth that are located in between canines and the molars. Okay. So premolars help in chewing the food, and the molars that are the teeth used to grind the food properly, and the molar tooth are the largest tooth present in human morphology or in the pair of our teeth. Okay, we were discussing about premolars. We discussed about premolars and molar teeth. Okay, so I think you got a clear idea about premolar and molar tooth. Okay, now we will have the final concluding activity, and now teacher will give you a PowerPoint presentation based on the teeth, images of teeth, which is not labeled properly. So teacher will give you a number or a specific sequence starting from A, B, C, D, and you have to identify the tooths given in the respective alphabets. Okay, so are you ready? Yes. So here comes the PowerPoint presentation.
Okay, my dear students, so here is the image, and now you can see that there are 4 images labeled as A, B, C and D. Okay, so what you have to do now is we have to identify each one. Okay, so does anybody know what is the image shown in A? Yes, the answer is very right. It is the image of incisor type of teeth. Okay. So now let us go for the image in option B. Anybody? Yes, the answer is right. It is canine type of teeth. Okay. So now who is going to give me the answer of option C? Yes, the answer is very right. Okay, so it is very evident that the image C is the picture of premolar tooth. Okay, I think you are very clear with it. Now let's continue with the last and the final image of this presentation, that is the option D. Okay, can anybody tell me what is the image shown in option D? Exactly, that's the right answer. That is the molar type of teeth. Okay, very good. So now you have clearly and correctly given the answers. Okay, so now I think you have all got an idea about for the four type of teeth, isn't it? Okay, then let's continue.
So now we are going to concentrate today's topic in a perfect way. Are you ready? Yes. So, teeth or the tooth helps in breaking the complex food materials into tiny bits, and we have four types of teeth. Okay. So they are the incisors, canine, premolars, and molars. Okay. Now we are going to see the features of the incisor type of teeth. Are you ready? Yes. So incisors are the teeth variety that help us to bite and cut the food. Okay. Once again, incisors are the tooth variety that help us to bite and cut the food, and they are the front teeth in mammals. Okay. So they are the front teeth in mammals. They are of 8 in numbers. So that means we have 4 pairs of incisors in our frontal teeth. Okay. Then 2 in the each side of top and bottom from the front. Okay. That means the 4 front teeth and the 4 front teeth in the lower jaw are the incisors. So once again, incisors helps in cutting and biting the food. Okay. So I think you got a clear idea about type of teeth incisors, isn't it? Yes. So now we are going to discuss about canines. Okay. Okay. So now we will discuss about canines. Are you ready? Yes. So canines are slightly pointed teeth situated on each sides of incisors. Once again, the canines are the slightly pointed tooth found on the or situated on the each sides of the incisors. Then because they are resembling the fangs of the dog, they are acquired the name. Okay, so since the canines resembles the fangs of the in the dog, it got the name the canine. Okay, so then the canines help us to tear the food properly. So what does the teeth canine have? Yes, the canine tooth help us to tear the food properly. Okay, so I think you got an idea about canines, isn't it? So now we are going to see about premolars and molars. Okay. Okay, my dear students. So now we are going to discuss about premolars. Are you ready? Yes. So premolar are the tooth that is located between the canines and the molars. Okay. Once again, the premolar tooth are the tooth present in between the canines and the molar tooth. Okay. So they helps in chewing the food. Okay. So what is the function of premolar tooth? Yes. The function of premolar tooth is to chew the food properly. Okay. So I think you got an idea, isn't it? Yes. So they are in single pairs on the each jaws. Okay. So there are 4 main teeth of premolar tooth. Okay. I think you got a clear idea. So once again, teacher will say it for you. Premolar tooth are located between the canines and the molar tooth in the mouth. Okay. So premolar tooth helps in grinding the and the chewing the food. Okay. So premolar teeth helps in chewing the food, and they are present in the mouth where the initial chewing of the food begins. Okay. So premolar tooth. So now we will discuss on molar tooth. So are you ready? So now we will discuss about molar tooth. Okay, so we were discussing about molar tooth, isn't it? Yes. So molar tooth are the furthest part of the tooth present in our mouth, isn't it? Yes. So they are the biggest and the largest tooth in human morphology, isn't it? Yes. So molar tooth are used to grind the food. Okay. Once again, molar tooth are used to grind the food properly, and they are the largest tooth found in human morphology, isn't it? Yes. So once again, these are the consolidate the more portion for you. That is premolars. Premolars are located in between canines and the molar tooth. Okay. Then they are present in the mouth in according to the jaws of our mouth, isn't it? Yes. Then premolar teeth helps in chewing the food properly. Okay. So you have to remember it properly that premolar tooth helps in chewing the food properly. And in case of molar tooth is the largest tooth in the human morphology, and they are present at the backward position, and they are useful in grinding the food properly. Okay. So premolar helps in chewing, and the molar tooth helps in the grinding of food. So I think you got a clear idea, isn't it? Yes. Okay, my dear students. So now teacher will have two homeworks for you. Okay. So you have to note down this in your science diary and complete as soon as possible. Okay. So here is the first question. Write a short note on types of teeth. Once again, write a short note on types of teeth. Okay, did you write? Yes. So here is the second question. Are you ready? Yes. Draw the images of types of teeth. Once again, draw the images of types of teeth. Okay, so these are the two homeworks. I think you all enjoyed today's class, isn't it? Yes, so we will meet you in another class. Thank you.